Hello, we're about to go over the slang expression barf. Yes, barf. It means to bleh. It means to throw up. It means to vomit. So that's what barf means. I think we've all barfed at one point or another. So let's start off on the top in the conversation chart. Um, I just barfed. So, well, you can say I just barfed or I barfed. Um, if you're using just, it means it just happened. There's a it just happened within the moment. I just barfed. So yes, it means that it happened just maybe a minute, 30 seconds ago. So the just is going to give some immediacy. It's going to mention that it happened immediately. I just barfed. Um, but you can just say I barfed. And that would be kind of in the past tense. So maybe you barfed yesterday. I um, but typically there's going to be places that we barf, such as an airplane. Some people get on an airplane and they get sick and they end up throwing up or barfing. So you can say if this happened in a particular place, you can say, I just barfed on the airplane. I barfed on the airplane. So again, if you're using just, it means it just happened. It just happened within it, it happened kind of immediately. And if you say I barfed on the airplane, it means it happened sometime in the past. It could have been the near past or the far past. Um, Now, you can also say all over. I just barfed all over the floor. I barfed all over the floor. So when we're using all over, it just means everywhere. I just barfed all over the floor. Or I barfed all over the place. So the place can be your apartment or maybe a pub. I barfed all over the place. There's barf everywhere. There's barf all over the place. Um, and of course, you got other places like in the pub. If you drink too much, if you drink too much happy juice, you may get sick and you may barf in the pub. Hopefully in the pub's bathroom. But yes, you can say I barfed in the pub. I just barfed in the pub. I just barfed in the toilet. That would be good. You barfed in the toilet, or I barfed in the bathroom. So yes, several different places to barf. There's other ways. I need to go barf, or I need to barf. It's the same meaning. It just means that it's important. It's kind of essential that you have to barf in this moment. You have to barf now. So I need to go barf. So that means I have to. I need to go barf because I feel sick. So I need to go barf. And you've also got gonna or going to. Gonna and going. Gonna is the slang term for going to. So we can say I'm gonna barf. So if we say I'm gonna barf, then this is kind of a future event. You're sitting there and you feel sick and you're thinking, oh, I'm gonna barf. Now, if you're gonna say gonna go, I'm gonna go barf, that means you are actually standing up and walking probably to the bathroom. You're partaking in that action. Okay, I'm gonna go barf. You're getting up and you're leaving. I'm gonna go barf. I'm going to go barf. Um, so that's how you're gonna use that. So if you're gonna say I'm gonna barf, you're thinking about it, you're feeling it, you feel it coming. If you're gonna say I'm gonna go barf, that means it's the actual action. You're about to stand up, you're about to go to the bathroom, and you are about to barf. Um, Now, you can also, if you see someone who is feeling kind of sick, let's say you're with a friend and they're looking a little, they're looking kind of, yeah, they're looking a little sick. Um, you can ask them, do you need to barf? Do you need to barf? Do you have to barf? So you can ask a person that. Um, and if you're feeling sick, you can also say, I feel like. I feel like I'm going to barf. I feel like I'm gonna barf. So it was kind of going back to I'm gonna barf. It's almost the same connotation. It means that you're feeling it. This is just an extension of the sentence. So I feel like I'm gonna barf. Um, this is just this you're explaining that you are feeling it. If you're gonna say I'm gonna barf, it means that it's a bit stronger. The feeling is a bit stronger that you're gonna barf. You're just, oh, I'm gonna barf. So this is the barf lesson. Look at your conversation flow chart and you can start constructing sentences on how to use barf in conversation. And anyways, I hope you don't have to barf anytime soon. And that this is the end. So thank you very much for following along.